Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi. I am working as a Uru developer at Inom ERP. Today I am going to explain my module Inom multi-branch invoice. First of all, you have to install three modules: purchase, mail, product. Then go to apps, click apps menu, write your first module name in search bar, purchase. Now you can see purchase module is already installed on my system. Then search second module, product. You can see product and price list module are already installed on my system. Then search third module, mail. You can see mail module is already installed on my system. Then search last one, I know multi. You can see I know multi branch and invoice and accounting module are visible on my screen. The module is already installed on my system. Then refresh this page. This module lets you turn multiple branches inside a single company and keep their accounting cleanly separated without having to create separate child companies. A branch here is a lightweight record such as a Delhi branch or Mumbai branch. Once branches exit, a branch field is added to the core accounting document: customer invoice, vendor bills, credit notes, journal entries, payments. Each document can be tagged to a branch, and security rules make sure a branch user only see their own branch data while managers see everything. Branch field on invoice, bill, credit notes, journal entries, and payments automate default branch. Each user can have a default branch that autofills on every new documents they create. Branch level security: branch user, multiple branch manager. Branch wise document numbering: each branch can get its running number in addition to the standard Udo number. Branch switcher in the top bar for multi branch users. Branch performance dashboard: sale, purchase, net receivable, and invoice bill counts per branch. Branch info on the printed invoice PDF. Auditing tracking: branches change are logged in the chatter. Now I am going to explain my module functionality step by step. Login as a Mitchell admin. Uh, for the test, we will use two users: Mitchell admin, the default admin. Second user, we will create a new user, Riya Sharma. According to you, you can create a new user. Role in test: Mitchell admin, branch manager. Second user, branch user. Branch manager see all branches. Branch user see only Delhi branch. The pair is chosen on purpose. Mitchell manager proves manager see everything, and second user, registered branch user, proves a branch user see only their own branch. That contrast is the heart of the module. Now I am going to explain my module functionality. Login as a Mitchell admin. Go to branches, refresh this page. Now you can see branches menu are visible on my screen. Then click on branches, configuration, then click branches. Now you can see here it is three branches are available. Now I deleted one branch. Now you can see here it is two branches are visible on my screen: Delhi branch, Mumbai branch. You can create new branch on click on new. Now branch name, click your branch name, branch code, write your branch code, then click to save. I have already two branch, Delhi and Mumbai. You can create new branch, click new and create the first branch. Branch name, branch code, branch wise numbering, tick this on. Click new again and create the second branch. Branch name, branch code, you can see branch name, branch code, branch wise numbering, leave off, save. Now you have two branch, Delhi and Mumbai. Then go to settings, user and companies, and user. Click on settings, click user and companies, click users. Now you can see here it is five user are visible all on my screen. Now click Mumbai user. You can also create a new user on the click on new, but I have already 5 user on my system. Click on Mitchell admin. Open the branch. Now you can see branch tab are visible on my screen. Access right, preference, calendar, security, branch. Click on branch tab. Under the access right, set the branch invoicing level to the branch manager. Now here it is, branch invoices field are visible. Now click branch manager. You can choose branch manager, then click save. Now click on branches tab. Set default branch Delhi branch. My branch is already set. Then click on save. Default branch Delhi branch. Then click on save. Create the second user. Go to say users and companies. Click user. My user is already created on my system. Set the branch invoices access level to branch user. Branch invoices, branch user. Now click to save. Make sure he has also standard accounting billing access, so he can open invoices. Open the branches tab. Click branches tab. Allow branch Delhi branch. Sorry for my mistake. Allow branch Delhi branch. Then default branch Delhi branch. Then click to save. Then set a password for this user. The password is changed. Save. Then set a password, and now you can log in as later. Test as the manager. Stay logged in as a Mitchell admin. Now you are logged in as a Mitchell admin. Go to accounting, customer, invoice and new. Go to invoice, customer, invoice, then new. Now here it is. This is the draft customer journal items, other info, invoices line are also visible on my screen. Then look at the branch field on the invoice. Branch field. Now you can see branch field are visible on my screen. It should be auto filled with the Delhi branch. It is auto filled by Delhi branch. Create one invoice per branch. On this new invoice, keep branch Delhi branch. Pick any customer, add a product line, then confirm it. Pick any customer, add a product line, then confirm it. Add a product line, then confirm it. The invoice is change draft to posted. Note the branch document number field, because Delhi has a branch wise numbering on. It should show something like Del 0001 after posting. Now you can see 00015 after posting. Create another invoice, but this is the time change. Branch is equal to Mumbai branch. Add a line and confirm it. Now create new, add a line, other info, Delhi branch to Mumbai branch. Click on save, then click on confirm. Now the invoice is changed draft to posted. Since Mumbai has numbering of its branch document, no stay empty. Go back to the invoice list, then click on invoice. Click on invoice, go to the invoice list. Mitchell should see both the Delhi and Mumbai invoice. Delhi and Mumbai invoice. Mitchell can see Delhi and Mumbai invoice. In the search bar, use filter group by branch. Invoices should group nearly under Delhi and Mumbai. Now search bar, group by branch. Now you can see Delhi and Mumbai branch. Look at the top bar. There should be a branch switcher widget. Now you can see there is a branch switcher widget. Delhi branch, Mumbai branch. Open it should list the branches Mitchell is allowed to work in and let him switch to other active branch. Go to branches dashboard. Then go to branches dashboard. You should see KPI cards per branch, sale, purchase, net receivable, plus invoice, bill counts, and overall invoice and vendor summary. The number should reflect the two invoices you just posted. Delhi and Mumbai branch. Print in PDF. Now click open the Delhi invoice. Click branches. Click invoicing. Customer invoicing. Open Delhi branch. Click gear icon. Now print invoice PDF. The branch name. Now you can see the invoices printed. Now log out at the Mitchell admin and log in at Mumbai user. Settings, user and company, Mumbai user. Now I am logging as a Mumbai user. Mumbai user. Sorry for my mistake. Password. Then go to accounting, customer invoice, invoicing, customer invoice. Now Mumbai user see only the Delhi invoice. Now you can see Mumbai user only see Delhi invoice. The Mumbai invoice must not appear in this list. Now you can see Mumbai branch is not appear in this list. Click new to create an invoice. Click new to create an invoice. The branch field should autofill Delhi branch. Now you can see the branch field is autofilled on Delhi branch, and the branch drop down should let pick only Delhi. Now you can see that drop down is visible on only Delhi branch. While logged in as a Mumbai user, try to open the Mumbai invoice directly by its URL. The Mumbai invoice link, as you see, Mitchell admin, Udo account, move Mumbai invoice ID. Mumbai should get a access error, record not found, because Mumbai cannot reach another branch document even by direct link. Fill in now. Fill the new invoice. Keep branch tally and confirm. Keep branch tally and confirm. Add a line, then confirm. Now invoices change draft to posted. It should post normally and receive the next Delhi branch number. Log out as a Mumbai user and log back as a Mitchell admin. Now I am logging as a Mitchell admin. Open the invoice list again. Mitchell should now see all three invoices, Delhi, Mumbai. Include the Mumbai just created. Now you can see Mitchell can see Delhi branch, Mumbai branch, and the third branch, the second user is created. This proof the manager see everything, the branch user see only their branch. Now log and the Mitchell admit this proof the manager see everything, the branch user see only their branch. Now this is the overall functionality of my module. Now you can download this module on the Udo apps. Thank you.